Hello, my name is Amir Golshani and I'm a second year in the MS program in Life Sciences. I originally came to KGI because of my brother. He did his master program here as well and now he moved on to medical school. And for myself, I originally came to KGI because of the network and the opportunities they were offering, especially with biotech. I discovered something that I'd never imagined myself I would do, and that was working in medical devices. It's opening a lot of new doors for me, and through that I think it's one of the main reasons that I enjoyed staying here and I want to continue working, especially even when I move on. I want to create new doors for the incoming students, because one of the most important things that KGI is offering is their faculty with their vast knowledge. Here, their doors is always open. It's open door policy, and they always welcome you no matter what. And they put the effort to understand your needs, understand your character, and also what you want to explore. My name is Amir, and this is how I found my why at KGI.